BYOR Academy, your gateway to professional coding literacy from basic to advanced AI and IoT. What is coding literacy? Just as learning any language, it's a theoretical computer code. Students are taught their regular math and science. Likewise, coding literacy is a must knowledge in a growing world of computing. In a regular class, students are taught to code with a traditional computer screen and keyboard. But is this really delivering the program to them? How do you make programming and coding fun, interactive, and engaging to your students? BYOR, Bring Your Own Robot, is a global initiative to educate coding through physical computing to every kid with digital, physical, and adaptive learning platforms. It is designed by expertise of 15 years in delivering coding literacy to enable students to have a good foundation to start their journey in coding. Unlike traditional screen coding, BYOR is physical computing with various sensors, making learning more engaging and fun. It enables learning through digital computing, physical computing, teacher-led, and adaptive learning platform. BYOR has courses both student-centric and teacher-led, with basic block-based to advanced script-based coding, IoT, and AI. Buy your course now and gift your students their very own BYOR kit with their learning partner who will learn, teach, and grow with them.